In today's video, I am going to teach you how to manage tasks in Freshsales. Managing tasks helps you stay on top of follow-ups, keep projects moving, and make sure nothing gets missed. Freshsales makes this easy by letting you add tasks, set due dates and priority, and connect each task to the work you already track, such as a lead, a contact, or a deal. To begin, open Freshsales and look for the plus icon in the top area of the interface. This plus icon is your starting point for creating a new item. When you see it, click on it so the option to add something new appears. Next, click on the option that says plus, add task. You might notice this is separated from other add options, which keeps task creation clear and simple. Take a moment to confirm you are in the task creation panel, because this is where you will enter the details for the task. Now you will enter the task title, due date, and priority. Start with the task title and keep it specific so it is easy to recognize later. For example, you can describe what needs to happen in plain language. After that, set the due date. Choosing the right due date matters because it drives your scheduling and helps you understand what should be handled first. Then select a priority level. Priority is useful when you have multiple tasks at the same time, since it helps you focus on what needs attention sooner. Once you have entered the core details, you will associate the task with a specific record in Freshsales. This is the part that ties your task to the sales activity it belongs to. Select the lead, contact, or deal that the task relates to. If the task is connected to a person, you may choose a contact. If it is tied to a new opportunity, you will likely choose a lead or a deal. Associating the task this way helps you stay organized and ensures the task is easy to find in context. After linking the task to the right lead, contact, or deal, click Save. This saves your task into Freshsales so it will appear in your task list and reflect the information you entered. Take a brief moment here to confirm the task appears as expected and that the due date and priority look correct. Now that you know how to create a task, you may want to update it later. Updates are common because priorities change and work sometimes gets completed early or needs to be refined. To update a task, click on the task you want to change. When you select it, Freshsales will present options so you can manage its status and details. From there, you have two main actions. You can mark the task as completed, or you can edit the details. If the task is finished, select Mark as completed so the status updates and you can move on with confidence. If the task still needs work, choose the Edit option to adjust the details. This is where you can update information such as the task title, due date, or priority, and make sure everything remains accurate. After you make your change, review the updated information so it matches what you intended. This quick check helps prevent mistakes and keeps your task records consistent across your sales workflow. Then you are ready to continue managing your next tasks with the same approach. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.